In this video, you'll learn how to mutate lists. So lists are mutable. That means they can be changed. This is the opposite of strings, which are immutable and cannot be changed. Let's take a look at our list over here again, and to show you what it means to change. So let's use our selection, and maybe we'll select, say, this object right here in index 3. You can use an assignment statement and we can replace it with any other object, and I'll just I'll replace it with the object, a string object with its value changed. So this will complete. Notice there was no error here. And when I look at my list, then I can see that I have overwritten or mutated that position so that it is now a string. So this is different than string. So here I still have that string S in memory. And if I try to overwrite that with, say, another character, and we've seen this before, you will get an error. Strings are immutable. You cannot change them once created. Lists, however, very nice, are different. You can change them. You can also remove items, like completely, as we'll see, or we can add new items or insert new items. So they are very, mutable. They can be changed in almost any way that you wish. All right, so that is a little lesson on mutating lists.